Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and those are new, welcome. This is the second part of the Potsdam trip. I hope you liked the first one, and I'm shooting the same day. So enjoy and like this video too. I hope that you will enjoy it as well. Guys, I don't know how it's come, but somehow we managed to come near to the palace instead of going other palace. So yeah,
This is the main one.
yeah, this is the main palace actually. Which one?
Noise Pally.
Noise Pally. What?
Lost Sansuki.
Slosh Sansuki. Wow. इसको गुलाबी महल नहीं कह सकते. You can also call it Pink Mahal, Pink Palace. So we came out from that direction somehow. I don't know how it end up like that. So guys, we have started from that direction, but we go that direction somehow, and we walk through all those forests and the palaces from that direction. So this is the main street. If you're coming direct to this palace, if you wanna see this palace first, then you can actually walk straight. But I already came like last time straight here, but now I decided to walk a little bit on the other side. That was so funny. I thought that this dog is coming towards me, but he's going somewhere else. So guys, now we are going on the back side of the palace, which is also converted to the university, right? Which one? That one is the university?
Yeah.
These are the two buildings for the university. Now they have converted these two buildings for the university.
Brandenburger Tor.
Brandenburger Tor. This area is called Brandenburger Tor. So guys, this is Brandenburger Tor, and there is a market where we are going in this direction. That like there is a people over there. We are going there, and like you can see all the summer vibes here. People are actually really enjoying this weather.
Yeah.
And I'm just getting sweaty so much. I don't know why. Maybe we're walking so much. So, see you in the market. So we are in the market. This is the whole street for the food and everything. Like you can do shopping. Last time when I came, like it was really lovely. So guys, we are in the market at the moment, and let's find something to eat. I'm super hungry at the moment. So stay tuned with me.
Do you want ice cream?
Babu, I'm hungry. I don't want to have, like I don't want to spoil my hungriness. Last time, do you remember that we get this
The donut.
doner kebab from that?
Yeah.
Maybe we could have that same. Guys, this is the small IKEA here, which is like really funny because like it's really small, but it's like useful for those people who are living here.
Yeah, because it's a planning studio. It's not IKEA. It's IKEA planning studio.
Guys, I was walking through for this place and I stopped because I like this locket so much. Can you see? I mean, there are so much beautiful things inside this locket. So guys, this is the Turkish tea, which is very nice. I like it. He don't like it. So in the meantime, our food are coming. I'm gonna finish this tea. This is really delicious. So have fun. So guys, most of the places nowadays they are putting this TV because the football match is happening these days. So most of the restaurant in Berlin and here as well, like people are really fond of the Olympics, like football games, FIFA. So they are watching here and like having beer and everything, but we are here for lunch. So guys, our food is here. Look at this, it looks so yummy. So I think that I will recommend you guys that you should eat it if you're coming in Potsdam. The shop name is
Bistro XXL.
Bistro XXL.
XSL.
Yeah, Bistro XSL. I will show you. So you must have this halloumi something. It's called halloumi. This is the shop name, and this is the food. Oh my god. So guys, this is really yummy. How is it?
It's good.
It's really good. Actually, this is actually cheese in it, so it's really healthy. I think it's without chicken, but it's really yummy, and the sausage is really yummy in here in this. Wow, yummy. So guys, we have finished our food, and there is a guy who is playing this piano kind of a thing, which is really nice. I'm gonna show you, and there's a small kid who is really dancing in front of him, and it's really cute. Z. So guys, I'm back in Berlin and it was really nice trip in Potsdam and with Zishan as well. And I hope that you liked all the shoot I have done over there. And so I will meet you in the next vlog. And till then, be happy, let the people happy, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.